Hello, welcome to my channel. It's high time to learn a lot. Already brain has been loaded with full of information. I will help you to learn classification of anti-epileptic drugs in a funny manner. Before start for, let me explain. This is purely exam oriented. If you learn this way, there are lesser chances of complaining I forgot. So let's dive into the topic.
So, classification of anti-epileptic drugs. Barbiturate, it's phenobarbital, deoxybarbiturate, primidone, hydantoin, carbamazepine, immunostilbene, carbazepine, oxcarbazepine, succinimide, ethosuximide, aliphatic carboxylic acid, valproic acid, benzodiazepine, clonazepam, diazepam, then phenyltryzine, lamotrigine, cyclic GABA analog, so it's gabapentine and pregabalin, then newer drugs, vigabatrin or topiramide. So it's difficult to learn like this if there is less time, right? So let's begin how to learn. First of all, barbiturate. You can see it's Barbie. So I have given picture of Barbie. This is the way I am going to teach you. So I think it will be better for you to remember. Then it's Barbie 2 rate, Barbie, then 2 rate. Rate represent money. So it's Barbie 2 rate. Then comes drugs, PNO Barbie tone. So it's P, I have given hen, HEN, hen. So O Barbie again, then tone. It's tone. See, you can see the tone here. So barbiturate, phenobarbital. This way you won't even forget the spelling. Then comes deoxybarbiturates. It's D, ox. Then again comes Barbie. Then 2, then rate. So it's deoxybarbiturate. Then comes primidone. It's prime. Then done. It's done. We are done with this. So don't forget, we are done with this deoxybarbiturate and its example is primidone. Hydantoin. So it's again high. So you can say high. Then D. South Indian girls used to sell high D. It's a common term we can listen to when we are in college, in our college days. It's hydantoin. So it's like high D, then comes and. Here it's and. So it's and. Then toin. It's not C, not here. It's not C. It's coin. Don't add C. It's hydantoin. So I have given picture of coin also. So it's hydantoin. Easy to remember. Then comes carbamazepine. How to remember this? It's car, then amaze, then it's pine tree. So it's carbamazepine. So hydantoin, carbamazepine. Then comes immunostilbene. You can remember immune as immunosystem. So immune, and then there is no immune. So it's like immune no, for whom? Still, it's not for Bean, Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean doesn't have immune system. He's weak. So like that you can remember. So it's immune no, for whom? For Bean. So immunostilbene. So how can we remember the drug's name? Carbazepine. It comes first one car, then it's base. So it's, I have given baseball here. Then it's spine. Again comes spine. So it's carbazepine. Then oxcarbazepine. It's ox. First I give ox. Then I have given here car. Then again base. Then comes spine. So one more time. immunostilbene, carbazepine, oxcarbazepine. So who doesn't have the immune system here, or who is weak? It's immunostilbene. So immune, no, still for Mr. Bean. So immunostilbene. Then comes example carbazepine. First of all, car, give the car here. I have given car. Then baseball. Then it's baseball. Then pine. It's carbazepine. Then oxcarbazepine. Oh, first it's ox. Then car. Then again base. It's pine. Instead of S as base spelling, it's Z. Here not it is. It's Z here. So oxcarbazepine. So you can remember the spelling also here without any difficulty. Then succinamide. It's like you can remember it sucks in amide. We sucks in case of amide to remember. Or you can remember it's like success. So it's a story of success of amide. It's sucks amide. It's okay. Success of amide. Sucks in amide. Then example is ethosuximide. Ethosuximide. So first it's Eid, right? So he can remember Eid as Muslims festival. Then it's Muslim festival. Then Eid or then sucks. Here also there is sucks. Then here also there is sucks, right? Then comes amide. Amide is repetition. Amide. Here also amide. Next is aliphatic carboxylic acid. So here is a story again. We are talking about Ali. This person's name is Ali. Ali is fat. That's his problem. Ali fat. Ali is fat and then fatigue and followed by carboxylic acid. So Ali is fat and followed by carboxylic acid. So we are talking about the story of Ali here. Aliphatic carboxylic acid. Then what is the drug? It's valproic acid. So or sodium valproate. This is important drugs in exam. Sodium. So you are familiar already with sodium. Then wall and we are pouring something on the wall, or either you can pour or you can aid. So it's like sodium valproate. So you can remember this, I guess. One more time the story. Aliphatic carboxylic acid. Ali is a fat person. So aliphat, fatigue. Then comes carboxylic acid. Then example is sodium valproate or valproic acid. Sodium again followed by wall. So instead of VAL, I have given the term as wall. It's WAL. Then pour and aid. Then next is benzodiazepine. It's Benz. Again, this car is Benz. Then for boys, it's easy to remember. All car name is there here. Benz, Audi, say. They are talking. Benz and Audi is now talking about pine trees. Can you imagine that? It's Benz, Audi, say pine. Benzodiazepine. Then example is clonazepam and diazepam. So is here clone. We can say clone. Then clone say palm. Clone. Then palm. Palm is palm tree. So it's palm tree. So there's group of people similar like Chinese. They are talking about palm trees. Okay. Clonazepam. Clonazepam. Then it's dice. So it's games. We are talking about games here. It's first is dice, then followed by ace, then again palm. So clonazepam. Diazepam. Dice. Die. Ace. Say palm. It's like die, ace, palm. So I hope you can remember. Then it's phenyltrazine. So phenyltrazine. So here I have given the full phenyl here. Then tri means three. Tri. Then azine. Azine is an Indian actress. So easy to remember. Phenyltriazine, then lamotrigine. Okay, here it's lamb. I'm talking about lamb here. Again try, then extra you have to add over here in between. Lamb, you're talking about lamb. So that expression, oh, you're talking about lamb. So lamotrigine, it's gene. So here please note that the tri here is it's repeating, the tri here it's repeating. So phenyltriazine and lamotrigine. Then comes cyclic GABA analog. So it's like cycle. I have given cycle. Then GABA he's please note that GABA he is repeating here. Then cyclic GABA analog. So it's like cycle plus GABA analog, catalog analog. So GABA again it's repeating, easy to remember. Then pen, this pen is made up of tin, so it's like pentene. Then comes pre-gambling. You're familiar with casinos and gamblings, so it's just before gambling, pre-gambling. So one more time, cyclic GABA analog, easy to remember like cycle and then GABA, then followed by analog, catalog analog. Then it's again GABA is repeating here. Then it's we are talking about pentene. Oh, pen is made up of tin. Then again GABA is repeating here also. Then it's pre-gambling. Newer drugs. Then it's vigabatrin or topiramate. So WeChat, it's like WeChat. We are familiar with WeChat and all. V, who? It's V. Then GABA, try, in. Try means 3. So who are there? We are there. Consider as V as GABA. Then GABA plus 3 persons are there. So we can say if 3 persons are there, then we can say vigabatrin. Okay, 3. It's you can say remember as 3, try in the form of 3, or you can remember as tree itself. So vigabatrin. Then it's about eating something. Topiramate, top and I ram, we ate, so we are eating something, so it's top, I ram, it's, so we ate something, topiramate. Okay, so newer drugs are vigabatrin or and topiramate. So V as WE, GABA, again GABA is repeating, try as 3 or tree, then in. Then topiramate, top, I, ram, 8. So thank you.